Hello and welcome to Wireman's Whimsy. We are working with the paper pumpkin for November, the gingerbread kit, and this is using items from the kit but putting them onto other items that you may already have and expanding the kit. So this is a Wishing You a Jolly Christmas card on Cinnamon Cider cardstock with a Whisper White card mat, and using the tag and the stamp from the set, and then using a bit of a color with the light Calypso Coral Stampin' Blends. So really simple to make, easy to put together. I'm going to use the kind of filigree stamp on a diagonal to fill in the background. Then I'll use the house stamp on the tag to make the tag, and I'm going to use Happy Holidays. This one says Wishing You a Jolly Christmas. I'm going to do Happy Holidays on this one, and we'll put it all together. So I'll just set this off to the side. To start, we're going to use our Cinnamon Cider stamp pad, and we are going to put the filigree decoration on the card mat. So I'm just going to start on an angle in the corner, and I'm just going to overlap it and go all the way across the card that way. Just at an angle, filling it in, just creates a nice background. And you can do this in any color you want. You can do it in one of the corresponding colors like Blushing Bride or Shaded Spruce, or the Calypso Coral. So we'll just go across there like this, and we'll just fill that in, and we'll just pop another little one on the corner like that. So there's our background, and right now we can take our Stampin' Seal and we can put this on our card base right away. I prefer it this way up, so that's the way I'm going to put it on my card base. I'll just center that and let it drop. So there's the card base done. Now we are going to stamp the Happy Holidays greeting on. This is a little tag that came with the kit. I'll just lay that down like that, and now that's stamped, and now we'll stamp the house. This is part of the stamp set that came with the paper pumpkin. It's got some archways to fill in for if you're actually making things out of the kit. So lots of different sayings on there as well. So I'm just going to ink that up again. And we're just going to lay this down on here. And there you go. Next, I am going to dimensionalize this and stick it on here. Oh, actually, you know what we do need? We need a little gingerbread house to put it on. I didn't get the gingerbread house out, so I will open up my kit and I will pull the gingerbread house out. Now, these are meant to be gift card holders. They fold up. You fold the end in like that, and you'd stick it all together. But if you just want to make a card, you can cut this piece off and then you've got a card, or you can cut the gift card holder up to make individual gift tags. So you just do that, and then you'd cut this tab off, and then you've got two individual gift cards. So I'm going to put this one to the side, and I'm going to use this one, and I am going to use my Stampin' Seal and just stick this, right on here like this. Just going to center that down, put it on. I'm going to use dimensionals to put this on. And you can put these on straight, you can put them on crooked, however you like. It's really, there's no right or wrong to this. It's just whatever your preference is. So I'm going to put this just a little bit crooked across here to say Happy Holidays. I'm going to close up my ink. And you can color if you want. You can leave it plain if you want. I just colored in the heart. Just wanted to give it a little bit of oomph And then I just went in and colored some of the shingles in the top here. Like I say, just to give it a little bit of interest. And you could, I mean, you could do lots of different colors in here. You could kind of make it like candy shells on the roof, all different colors. However you would like to do it. There is no right or wrong for this. It's whatever you like. That's the nice thing about making handmade cards. You can start with a pre-designed pattern, and then you just go ahead and do exactly what you want to make it your own. But the paper pumpkin kits give you the basics. They give you the foundation, and then you can take it anywhere you like from there. And just add some detail in, and then we'll dimensionalize this onto the card, and you are good to go. The coloring takes a bit of time, but really it's just that simple. You can make it as detailed as you want, or just put some color in it just to make it pop a little bit. It really, like I say, it is completely and totally up to you how you would like to do it. But this is how you take Paper Pumpkin out of the box. The Paper Pumpkin kits do have everything you need in them to make the projects. You might need an acrylic block or two, or you might need some scissors, but other than that, everything you need is there. And then when you take it out of the box, you add items that you already have in your stash, and away you go. So that is how you very quickly take Paper Pumpkin November 2020 kit out of the box and make yourself some Christmas cards. Thank you very much for watching. If there are any products you'd like that I've used in this video, or if you'd like to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, please use the links below. Thank you. We'll see you next time.